morning, class 3 students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, students, welcome back to our EVS class. Yes, as you all know, we were doing chapter number 18, locating places, and there is so much gap between this chapter, and we have to complete this chapter. So, now our bookwork and notebook work is pending. So, today we will be doing bookwork of this chapter, and also tomorrow we will be doing notebook work of this chapter. Okay, and along with this we are doing some test also, reason test, and also with the viva preparation. So all the very best for your exams and for the vivas. So now let's get started. Open your book page number 102, and we are doing book work now of chapter number 18, locating places. So open page number 102, that is lesson number 18, locating places, right? So in this chapter we learned about the map, sketch, what is symbol, what is key, what are the landmarks. So we learned lots of things in this chapter. Yes, so today we are starting with the page number 103. On page number 103, two Philips given, and lots of Philips are given, so we will be doing that. Okay, so everyone, just look at your book and see. First fill in the blank is given here. Dash is a drawing of neighborhood, city or country. So हम क्या बोलते हैं उस ड्राइंग को जो नेबरहुड की ड्राइंग है या सिटी की ड्राइंग है या किसी कंट्री की ड्राइंग है? दैट इज नोन एज मैप. दैट इज नोन एज मैप. व्हाट इज मैप? मैप इज अ ड्राइंग ऑफ अ सिटी, कंट्री और लाइक प्लेस. किसी भी जगह का हम कोई ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं, किसी जगह का ड्रॉ करके हमने बताया है मैप, उसे मैप बोलते हैं. सो फर्स्ट फिलअप इज मैप. फर्स्ट फिलअप आंसर इज map. Okay, now the next is a books of map is called and dash. So I told you book of maps. मैप की बुक जो जिस बुक में सारे मैप्स ही गिवन होते हैं, दैट बुक नेम इज एटलस. उस बुक को क्या बोलते हैं? एटलस. सो बुक ऑफ मैप इज नॉन एज एटलस. ATLAS. Okay, yeah. So map and atlas. So we did the political map. We did total mostly 12. Yes, 20. So we did total 20 capitals and their states and the capitals, right? So now everyone, you can see here on page number 103, you can see a political map is given, and now these fill in the blanks are based with this. So look at the map of India and fill in the blanks with the correct directions. हमारी directions हमें पता है ना, so I told you the directions. This is the north direction, this is the south. Like top of the map is north, bottom of the map is south, and then here right side it is east and left side it is west. Clear? So east, west, north and south, these are the four directions. Now suppose this is a map, and now we will be working on it. Next fill in the blanks are given again. First fill-up is Tamil Nadu is in the dash of India. So as you can see in your book, where is Tamil Nadu situated? Tamil Nadu is just at the bottom. Bottom में है ना, बिल्कुल नीचे. तो नीचे वाली डायरेक्शन कौन सी होती है? Bottom direction, that is south. So Tamil Nadu is in the dash of India means is in the south of India. Okay, so in the first blank you will be writing south. in the south of India. Then next is West Bengal is in the dash of India. Now you can search in the map where is West Bengal situated. Yes, here you can see it is in this direction. So it is a east direction. This is a east direction. So right here, West Bengal is in the east of India. West Bengal is in the east of India. Then third is Gujarat is in the dash of India. Where is Gujarat situated? हमने पढ़ा था ना, गुजरात को हमने कहाँ सिचुएट किया था? गुजरात होता है वेस्ट साइड, कॉर्नर वाला पार्ट जो होता है मैप का, दैट इज गुजरात. सो इट इज इन द डायरेक्शन वेस्ट. सो गुजरात इज इन द वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया के मैप में गुजरात कौन सी डायरेक्शन में है? वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में. Okay, now next fourth is name the two states that lie in the north of India. कोई भी टू स्टेट्स के नेम लिखते हैं आपको जो नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया में है. नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया, दिस प्लेस. आप मैप के बॉटम में से कोई मैप के टॉप वाले पार्ट में से कोई भी टू स्टेट्स का नेम लिख सकते हैं. लाइक आई एम राइटिंग द फर्स्ट वन हियर, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. And second I am writing here Punjab. So you can write any, like Himachal Pradesh you can write, Dehradun you can write, Haryana you can write. So these are the places which are in, these are the states that lie in north of the India. Okay, तो ये हमने north of India की two states लिख दी हैं. Now next question, नेम द टू स्टेट्स दैट लाई इन द साउथ ऑफ इंडिया. अभी जैसे हमने नॉर्थ का किया वैसे ही हम साउथ का करेंगे. साउथ की डायरेक्शन में से कोई भी टू स्टेट्स का नेम लिख लो आप. लाइक आई एम राइटिंग हियर द फर्स्ट वन तमिलनाडु. आप कोई भी लिख सकते हैं जो भी है साउथ डायरेक्शन में. एंड द सेकेंड वन आई एम राइटिंग हियर केरला. ओके, you can write Bengaluru, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Okay. Now turn page number 104 and there are two more given, two more fill-ups given. So name the two states that lie in the west of India. Now they are asking about the west direction. वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में हम कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट आई एम राइटिंग हियर गुजरात एंड सेकंड आई एम राइटिंग हियर महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात एंड महाराष्ट्र. Then name the two states that lie in the east of India. आप जो ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में है, जो हमने किए हैं हम वही लिखेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी डिड बिहार. हमने अभी तक जितनी की हैं उन्हीं में से लिखेंगे. सो ओडिशा. ओके, बिहार एंड ओडिशा. So yes, these were the fill-ups given on page number 103 and 104. Now on 104 page number, some match the followings are also given that we will be doing now. Yes, so here first thing is given hospital. Second it is given park. And third it is given school. Okay, now this side, at the right hand side, some symbols are given. First symbol is given S, second symbol is given plus, and third symbol is given like this of green color, right? So yes, these are the symbols given to us. Now I told you about the symbols, and these symbols are like very helpful in searching of someone's house. These are the landmarks जिनसे हम किसी का घर ढूंढ सकते हैं, कहीं पे भी हमें जाना. That will be very helpful for us to search that thing wherever we are going. So yes, now hospital, which is the symbol of hospital. You can choose from these three. Which is the symbol of hospital? So this is the symbol of hospital. That is B1. So we will match first one with the B part, because the symbol of hospital is plus. Then secondly, symbol of park is this, and symbol of school is this. So match it like this. Okay, so on the page numbers, on the same page number now, practice exercise section number A given. So we are starting with this. First of all, there MCQs are given. MCQs are given here. So the first MCQ is, there are dash main directions. How many directions I told you? East, west, north, south. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total there are 4 directions. So here we will be writing 4 direction, and the option number C is correct. So put tick on option number C, so that there are 4 main directions. After that, the second one, a rough drawing of a place is called. What do we call a rough drawing? रफ ड्राइंग किसी प्लेस की रफ ड्राइंग को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज अ मैप, अ स्केच और अ ग्लोब. व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट? यस, अ रफ ड्राइंग ऑफ अ प्लेस इज नोन एज sketch. That is known as sketch. Means B option is correct. SKETCH. B option is correct. Sketch, and we will tick on this option. Okay, so these are the 2 MCQs given to us. Now after that, on the same page number, fill-ups again given. First fill-up is, the explanation of symbols is called a dash. So when we are explaining these symbols, and the explanation of these symbols is called dash, what do we call that? We call that key. Explanation of symbols is known as key. K-E-Y, key. So fill this in the first blank. Okay. Then next is, a dash is a drawing of a city or a country. Dash is a drawing of a city or country. Drawing of city or a country, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is known as a map. So map is a drawing of a city or country. Okay. Done. Now move on to the next page, that is 105. Page number 105. And on this page number, circle the odd ones are given. Now we will be doing this. Circle the odd ones. And the first one is given to us. First is given road, north, west and south. So which one is the odd one? Road, north, west or south? So see, north, west and south, these are the directions, and road is the different one. So odd one out is road. So we will put circle on road. Okay. Now the second is sketch, map, house and atlas. Which one is the odd one? Sketch, map and atlas, these are the related from the directions, these are related from the map, right? So house is a different one. So we will be doing circle on house. Okay. Now on this same page number, again 2 MCQs are given, like practice exercise section B started, and MCQs are given. So here First MCQ is given, landmarks are represented on a sketch in the form of dash. कोई भी स्केच जब हम मेड करते हैं तो उस पे जो लैंडमार्क्स को शो करते हैं वो किस से रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं? सो लैंडमार्क्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड ऑन अ स्केच इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, किस डायरेक्शन में, किस फॉर्म में वो शो हो रहे हैं हमें? दैट इज शोन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिंबल्स. दैट इज शोन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिंबल्स. करेक्ट? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ symbols. So landmarks are represented on a sketch in the form of symbols. Option number A is correct. Put tick on that. Now the next is, a book of maps is called. Same thing. Book of maps is called atlas. So B option is correct. That is atlas. Okay, so it's very short question answer. We will be not doing because only one thing is given here. You have to do it by yourself. One sketch is given in your book and you have to do it in your book only, and we will be not doing in the notebook. So you have to look at the sketch carefully and you have to write how many of the following are there, like how many school symbols are given, how many park symbols are given, how many water tank symbols are given, and how many houses are given. So this is your work you all have to do, and its worksheet I will be sending soon. So yes, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching all. Bye bye and take care.